Welcome to Intelligent Control Group. In this video, we are going to discuss about simple writing tool for online video lecture. There are plenty of tool in online. You can use any tool, but this is one of the very simple tool, just 5 MB. I already attached the download link at the bottom of the video in the description box. You can download and install. It works only on Windows system. So the name of the tool, Windows Journal. So let us see how it works in screen. So this is Windows Journal application. It has only minimum commands. Say here you have pen, highlighter, eraser. That's it. These are the basic tools, 3 tools which are going to use throughout all our presentation. Say let me select the pen tool. You can select color here. You can write it here. Say I'm going to write something. Okay, you can change color, for example pink. Okay, then you can choose different colors just by selecting the color icon. Like this you can write. So you need a digital stylus pen to write. You can select different colors like this. So like this you can write. Then there is a tool called highlighter. You can highlight something like this. So whatever you write you can highlight. Suppose if you want to highlight the path, you can highlight. Then another important tool, say I'm going to write something here, time domain. First order, second order. If you want to erase something, just select eraser, then drag on like this. You can erase. Again you can write. Okay, so these are the basic tools. You can also insert pictures. Okay, for example insert picture, desktop. I'm going to insert a simple picture. Okay, let me insert this picture. So this is a picture. You can place and you can write on pictures like this. You can mark circle, something like that you can mark. Then another advantage is there are a lot of basic commands in Windows like Control C for copy, Control V for paste. Then those basic commands will also work in Control Z, that is backward. You see that the things will change. Okay, so this is another advantage. You can save your file using file save as. Okay, you can also export your file to different format. Okay, so that is an advantage of this software, just 5 MB. Okay, it serves the basic purpose of the all virtual writing application. You can also select a different writing using this selection tool. Okay, if you want to select that portion alone, you can use like this. So I have been using this application for the last 5 years. I hope it will be useful to you. Thank you.